In this video, we're going to have a look at creating each of our kit parts from our dragster kits as a 3D model so that we can make sure that these parts will fit in our manufactured models before we manufacture them. To get started in class, you would have had a sheet that has each of the parts in an orthographic perspective, requiring you to measure the parts and include their dimensions. We will now use this sheet to give our dimensions and create our models. The first thing we want to start with is our battery pack. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch on the front plane and change our perspective to the front. I'll now draw a rectangle and dimension this rectangle according to what I have on my sheet, where I had a width of 33 millimeters and a height of 16 millimeters. I'm also going to use my sketch fillet tool to include my corner radius, so these two upper corners here. So once we have our sketch confirmed, we can now do an extrusion of our battery pack. So we'll select the extrude tool, make sure it's solid and new. We'll select the face that we want to extrude. I'll just change the angle here a little bit so we can see it. And we'll extrude that out to the length that we have recorded on our recording sheet. Then we'll complete our extrusion, rename that feature, and rename our part. And now we have our battery pack.